Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dimitri, and today we're going to check out two really awesome jobs we're doing. And it's anytime we do something on a vehicle, it feels rewarding. But when you do a rust proofing and rust preventive treatment on like a late model, especially if it's a brand new vehicle, you feel really, really good because you know you're going to save that vehicle. So let's check it out. We have pretty much a brand new Ford Bronco Raptor, so that's a very nice vehicle. And we have a late model Chevy truck. So let's take a look at it. So the Bronco is getting the treatment as we speak, and we're going to take a peek at it in just a moment. The Chevy, it actually has been done, and this is practically a brand new truck. It's been on the road only a couple of months, and it's been these have been summer months, so it's nice and clean. We had to do some just easy cleaning, and we are this job is already done, and we have done an evaluation of the existing rust proofing because modern vehicles, certainly GM, are getting much better with their rust preventive treatments on the late model stuff. For example, the frame on this truck was already treated by a nice product that's tacky, it's waxy, and it looks like it's going to stay there for a while. So we're going to monitor it for this customer. Interestingly, no other parts other than the frame had any type of rust preventive treatment, so we actually took care of those. Let's take a closer look. So we used wax oil, hard wax, on the underbody of this truck, and it's black, and you can see that it's actually kind of thick and soft. And again, the key element to these undercoatings, to the successful ones, is for it to stay soft and penetrating, and certainly water repelling and resistant to water, to a little bit of snow, and certainly if you're going to rub it against sand, it is going to get removed. But you can see over on this truck, we've applied it on a variety of surfaces. And there are some surfaces where you can see it's a little bit more yellow, so we applied amber coating. That one is used a lot by European manufacturers, and it's really, really good on aluminum parts. And you can see we've done it on the knuckles. So other than the frame, which has nice factory coating, you can see everything else on this truck was ready to rust. So it was great that we got a hold of the truck, and right now everything is very well protected. You can see the rocker panels, which we also sprayed them on the inside as well, and you can see all the outside surfaces of the inner rocker panels. They're covered now with protective coating. You can see the bed, which was totally exposed. That's been covered. You can see the truck cap corners. They've been covered now by us, and I believe if it hasn't been done, I know we're going to be doing it, spraying the protective coating on the inside the enclosed areas, so inside these pockets. So obviously we've done it on both sides, and then you can see the leaf springs. Here you can see the backing plate. We have amber coating on it. So I guess with this vehicle you can say we took a hybrid approach where we've done an evaluation. We identified the frame has excellent manufacturer's protection that just needs to be monitored, and then the rest of the areas that were what we call ready to rust, we've cleaned them and we applied proper protective coatings. So we feel good about this vehicle, and it's gonna do very, very well. We had our first snow here, so this one is ready for the road. Let's take a peek at our Raptor that is being worked on. And yes, we do remove a lot of panels for access. On Ford Broncos, we recommend also removing the bumpers and removing the wheel wells, and of course the flares. The customer selected not to go to this extent, which is understandable because it adds another layer of cost, but we are doing a very thorough protective coating, and you can see that's being done on pretty much everywhere, and our technician is just applying the product as we speak. And if you're interested how do suspension look on the Raptor, they are awesome. They're absolutely amazing. I would say they're a piece of engineering art and an amazing implementation. The truck looks unbelievable, and it certainly feels that way on the road as well. So we hope you enjoyed this video. It gives you an idea what we can do to protect your vehicle here at AlphaCars. And you can reach out to us, just drop us a note. In the comments, you can let us know what you think, and you can definitely reach out to us through our website, alphacars.com, or simply give us a call, 978-263-9000. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Dimitri, and until next time.